Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. Yeah, here on this chart we can see a good reaction to our support region, which you know already about. It's between $2.65 and $3.17. That's our Fibonacci support region. And this zone is currently holding. It is the zone that we said should be reached in a wave 2 correction after the price started the correction in July. And it seems like a complex WXY structure. It might be complete. I cannot rule out another low, but we still have a lot of room. Even if we get another low, then $2.94 to $2.65, $2.64 are the next levels to watch, plus the lower boundary line of this corrective price channel. Now, for now, the market has started to move from Fibonacci support to the upper boundary line of our trend channel. It's currently coming in around $3.80 in the very short term, right? This is something to watch here. It's very much possible that we are starting here a breakout in a third wave, but we need more evidence. We need more evidence. What does that mean? That means we need to see more detail of the wave structure to actually confirm a low. If you watch the video that I published yesterday, then you know that a 5-wave move up is actually needed for SUI. That would be, for example, I'll put that onto the chart just as an example here. This could be wave 1 of 3. Then we can get a wave 2 pullback. Let me just change the color here. But basically, it would be like this. This is so that I just show this to you on the larger time frame so you get the idea. Basically, 5 waves in wave 1 of 3, right? And then wave 1 needs to be 5 waves because only the 5-wave sequence tells us that the local trend is up. Then the wave 2 pullback, then the third wave, then the fourth wave, then the fifth wave. And this part would ideally be the most aggressive part of the trend. It usually is. Can I guarantee that? No. We can only work with reward and risk and probabilities, because this is typically the most aggressive part. It's the third of a third wave. Yeah, and especially this part would be the third of a third of a third. Basically what this was. But probably this is going to be a bit stronger. So this is something to watch over the coming weeks, maybe even months. And if we take a look here at the shorter time frame for SUI, then you can see the market is starting to move. People getting bullish. I got emails already. Are we breaking out? And I mean, in the best case, I'd say this is a 5th wave. But the 4th wave pullback wasn't even very deep. Yeah. So my video yesterday, I showed you that we were on our way into support. I think we had, when I made the video on Saturday, depending on your time zone, we're still on Saturday, at Saturday. It's still Saturday, but in some time zones it's already Sunday. And so anyway, the idea was, hey, maybe in this zone the wave 4 completes. If the 4 is already complete, I would say it's okay. It would be acceptable. What is more common is a wider ABC structure and then go up. There's plenty of room in this micro support zone. It's between $3.29 and $3.50. This is micro support. It's holding, and as long as we're holding it, I'm going to watch for one more high. What can happen, and the risk for that is high, because often we don't form new highs on Saturday, Sunday, or at least, yeah, around this time, usually not. Volume is low and everything. So usually I would expect this to fail and come down once more into support and then try. So I'm still watching for 5 waves up. The question is just, do we do it directly or do we get another wider 4 and then up? Honestly, I'd be happy for it to form 5 waves. What is more probable is a wider 4, just because it's Saturday, Sunday, right? But definitely we'll watch for it. If we go higher from here, it will be 372, 380, and 388. Yeah, the area to watch. But for now, it's we might have started wave 5. So support is holding. If we come down once more, then I would pay attention to 342 as next fib support. That's the update on SUI. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, feel free to join our membership options. Check it out. On our channel page, there is an explanation. There's a video that explains the member benefits. You can get access to member-only videos here. I always try to add value, try to add even more to them for anybody who's supporting the channel. Also, you can access our member live stream that's happening tomorrow. Join the community. You know, it's normally very interactive. You can request coins. I cover normally 40 to 50 coins. It's going to be on Sunday, 5 p.m. UTC. In addition to that, as a gold member, you can even join Discord, get additional bonus updates, all sorts of things happening there. So check it out. We're happy to see you there. See you later. Bye-bye.